When I got elected, I found that people didn't know that I had an office here in the Apache Junction area, because I would invite people, hey, come over to the office, and then say, you mean all the way down to Florence? Say, no, there's an office right here. So I wanted to let them know that right over there you can reach me. And so since we're going to have an open house, we thought, why not have an open house for everybody that has an office here?
Well, it makes it very convenient. You know, go to ADOT, get a license plate. We have the food bank, which is basically right across the street from it. We have the probation office. Of course, we have the court facilities here. County Supervisor's office is here. And when we have, want to talk to the County Supervisor concerning something, it's nice to be able to come locally instead of taking off and trying to go all the way down to Florence.
Just being available to the public and the people is the main thing. The other thing that I'm working on is all of my residents to the east, Gold Canyon, Peralta, Queen Valley, there's one way in, one way out on the 60. And we're really got to come up with a plan to get another road punch through out there to give some relief, especially during when the Renaissance Festival is going. A lot of times it's just, people won't even go out on the weekends because it's so backed up. Hopefully this just lets people know that my office is here to serve.